Hi, my name is Anthony Sedberry. I'm president here at the MagPanel Company. We've been based in High Point since 1958. We work with the Department of Defense. We help keep the soldier and the warfighter ready and mission ready. We work with both the commercial and military aviation industries, as well as satellite, medical, and automotive. MagPanel was incorporated in 1958 right here in High Point. The MAC stands for Machine Accounting Control, and we came out of the first IBM computers that were introduced back in the 50s. And MAC was owned for a period of time by the Adams-Millis Corporation and was spun out in 1972 and has became a private company and has continued business operations in High Point ever since. At MagPanel, we have opportunities in quality assurance, manufacturing, hardware assembly and wiring services, and general machine shop. Within GAP, we're involved in the advanced manufacturing track. You're going to have the opportunity to be hands-on. You're going to work with our equipment, CNCs, conventional. You're going to work with our people. You're going to learn by doing a job daily and grow your skill set so that you have something to offer not only MagPanel but also our local marketplace. You're going to have opportunities here to engage with robotics, to engage with CNC, advanced manufacturing equipment, to learn from people who have been working with our products as well as within our facility for many years and grow as a person. You're going to learn about not just working daily and of course working in school, but you're going to learn about kind of growing up, being a productive participant within our community. MagPanel participates in our community, and we want people that work with us to do so also. I think the reason that a young person would want to be involved at MagPanel is because of the diversity of activity, the diversity of industries that we serve, the dynamic products that we manufacture. So we're working with commercial and military aircraft manufacturers. We're working to service and keep mission ready the warfighter and soldier that are part of our U.S. military. We're working with the automotive industry, we're working with medical, we work with the satellite industry, both commercial and government satellites. So it's a dynamic workplace, we've got a dynamic customer base, and the opportunities are vast.